In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your Wix website using custom CSS. If you've ever wanted to add a personal touch to your site or make it stand out with unique styles, you're in the right place. We'll walk through the entire process from generating your code to embedding it into your Wix site. Let's get started. First, you'll want to generate your custom HTML and CSS code. For this, we're going to use a tool like ChatGPT. It allows you to create basic HTML templates with accompanying CSS in no time. So go ahead and open ChatGPT in your browser. Once you're there, you'll input a request to generate basic HTML with some CSS included. This step is crucial, as the HTML will structure your content while the CSS will define its appearance. ChatGPT will process your request and deliver a beautifully structured code snippet for you to use. Once your code has been generated, simply select it and make sure to copy it to your clipboard. We'll need this code in just a moment when we head over to Wix. Now it's time to jump into your Wix website. Log into your account and navigate to the site where you want to apply your custom CSS. Once you're in the Wix editor, everything is at your fingertips. Look for the option to add an element, typically found on the sidebar. When you click Add, there will be numerous options, but for this purpose, we're interested in the Embed Code feature. Within the Embed Code section, you'll see the option to embed HTML. This feature is instrumental for integrating custom code into your site, allowing for greater flexibility and personalization. Click on Embed HTML, and you'll be presented with a window where you can insert your previously copied code. Here's where the magic happens. Paste your HTML and CSS code into the designated area. This step seamlessly integrates your custom styling into your website's design. Depending on the complexity of your code, the changes can range from simple visual tweaks to more advanced design overhauls. It's an elegant way to breathe new life into your site without overwhelming your visitors with too much complexity. As you complete this process, always remember to periodically preview your changes. Use Wix's preview function to ensure everything appears correctly and as you intended. This way, you can make any needed adjustments on the fly before your site goes live for all to see. By following these steps, you've managed to successfully incorporate your own customized styling into your Wix website. Keep experimenting with different styles and designs to discover what you love best. Thank you for watching and happy designing.